Workers' compensation provides coverage to your employees or any deemed worker. So be very careful with how you define deemed worker. There are particular ways of ascertaining whether a contractor is a deemed worker or any employee is a deemed worker, whether they're part-time or not. So definitely speak to an advisor to get the right advice around what is a deemed worker or not. But workers' compensation is going to cover the benefits around their injury. So the thing to be mindful of is, yes, obviously workers' compensation is required at law and differs from state to state. But be very mindful as the business owner, as the proprietor, you need to be very careful in the sense that workers' compensation claims can lead to public liability claims. Often what we find is once employees go through that workers' compensation process, once the workers' compensation insurer stops those payments, the employee can seek legal advice to come after the employer and state that the work environment was not a safe work environment. And so effectively that becomes what we would call in the insurance industry a worker-to-worker public liability claim. Because again, public liability covers personal injury and property damage. So in this instance, the lawyer would claim that the employer didn't necessarily follow the right procedures and was negligent in providing a safe work environment. And this is where we see worker-to-worker claims. Interestingly, when it comes to worker-worker claims, insurers are providing pretty high excesses at the moment. We're looking at $25,000 excesses at the moment. So as always, I would strongly advise, get some advice. The team at Confio Insurance is more than happy to help.